Hello, good morning, Nitin sir. How are you?
Hey Niharika, how are you?
I am good. Do you remember we have a shoot today, right?
Yeah, I'm aware, but I'm a bit stuck, so we'll do it on the go.
No problem at all. So, we'll start with the first question. What's the biggest operational gap you saw in Indian construction and how do you think it could be fixed?
So Niharika, there are multiple gaps. So there is no transparency in the system, right? There is no accountability. There are massive quality issues, and money protection for the customer is not there. So we are Brick and Bolt. We are here to solve all these problems.
What's one thing homeowners never see but actually what decides how smooth their project will be?
Construction is a very complex industry. There are a lot of moving parts. So it's very important that we have the right back-end processes using technology, because without that, it's very hard to deliver a great experience. I think what customers also don't see, that the team which is working in the back-end is absolutely certified on our systems and processes, and that's how we deliver a great experience.
What's your main guiding principle when building high performance ops team in a messy category like construction?
So before I answer that, I just want to tell you there are 4 pillars we look at in Brick and Bolt. The first is our team, which is building the systems. Second is the partners. Third is the customers, and all this is done through technology. I just want to share one real example. There was a person in our team in process excellence, and he was given a mandate to build processes so that we can deliver a better experience. And he was a new guy in the system. He was struggling a lot, and he didn't have any understanding of construction. So I personally sat with him like few times, and then I told him just one thing. I just told him one thing, that we are here to construct dream homes. I think that was a trigger point for him to really unleash himself. This guy started working till 10 in the night, and finally, happy to share, after 2 to 3 months, this guy is one of the top performing team members. I think that's the mantra. We want to enable people to do great job and deliver an experience.
Most people building for the first time don't know what to expect. What's the one thing they should ask their builder before finalizing the contract?
I think every customer should ask what exactly is happening on the site every day. The transparency is very important, Niharika. I'll just share, there was a customer we onboarded 3 months back, and he told us clearly that he travels a lot abroad, and every a month he's outside. So how will he get visibility on the site? And I spoke to him like a week back, and he was in Germany or Hungary, and he was very happy because he had absolute daily updates what's happening, and his house is constructing on the first floor. The foundation is already laid down, and he sent me a smiley saying that he's very happy with Brick and Bolt service and the technology.
Construction can feel overwhelming for families. Timelines, budgets, coordination. What's your approach in making it feel more manageable?
Over the last 8 years, we have constructed 8,000 plus homes. And I think one feedback which came very clearly from a lot of customers is they want to spend a lot of time with Brick and Bolt, ensuring that what they want to build, it's sort of getting captured. So we have an internal process where we spend 2 to 3 months ensuring every small detail is captured at our end. And then we give a very clear timeline and what is the cost for the project, because then there is a lot of anxiety at the end. I think once we lock in that, we have built processes to ensure that we execute the plan to the T.
What's one moment in a project that tells you this customer is going to be happy at the end?
There are many moments in the whole journey. Let me just start with when we spend 2-3 months with the customer, ensure all the requirements are captured as I just told you. We need to ensure that we lock the pricing with the customer and they're happy with it, right? Because money is the very important part from the customer. But then apart from that, once we start the construction, starting with just lining the whole thing, excavation, going to the plinth, and finally delivering the home. Customers get very happy when we deliver on time. I just want to share with you, I've been part of multiple handovers where we finally deliver the keys to the customer. It's a great feeling when you see the entire family sitting together and very, very happy to move into the house, and they're planning what to do next. This is what we thrive on. I think this is one special thing. which I think give a kick to really keep working hard. And that's what we do every day.